Hi, I'm Nick Riley, and in this video we're going to have a look at range orders. When you trade, and once you've actually entered a position, you'll need to think about how you get out, not just for profit but also for your stop loss. A range order can accommodate both of those specific exit points in one order. Very easy to put on. You currently see that I'm in JP Morgan, I'm long 500 shares, moving around a little bit, and you can see in the chart above it's not looking great at the moment. So the overall flow of the trade is upwards. However, I need to make sure that I have a profit target and the stop loss so that I can move away from my system and let the trade either go to my profit or stop me out for a specified loss. So I'm going to come to my order box. You'll notice I've got 500. So I need to type in 500. The next thing I need to do is I need to click on the drop down for the ECNs. I need to go to ARCA S. ARCA is the ECN, S is the stop function. So I'm going to click on this. Once I'm happy, the way I would get rid of a long position is obviously to sell it out. So the first thing I'm going to do after I've checked that everything's okay, JP Morgan Chase 500, which is the amount I'm currently long, and I'm going to click sell. You click on OK, and you'll see in the drop down it has market. I want to actually click this drop down and choose range. It now gives me a low price and a high price. Because I'm long the share, my high price is going to be my profit target. I entered this trade at 39.84. I want to try and lock in profits at a higher price. So let's say I'm prepared to get out of the trade at 39.99. However, I also want to put a stop loss order in. So given that my price for purchase of the shares was 39.84, my stop loss in this instance is going to be below the purchase price, and I'm going to enter 39.75. So now I'm happy with where my stop is, I'm happy where my profit target is. I'm going to click OK, and you'll see that I still have the trade on, but I now have an order which will accommodate both my profit target and my stop loss. So if the price of JP Morgan goes up to 39.99, what I'm going to do is automate my system so that as it trades at that price, I will sell the shares. If, however, the stock comes back off again, I will automatically be stopped out. If I wanted to do this for a short trade, and I'm just going to type a random stock in, so Estee Lauder, trade direction is down. It's just, however, starting to find legs. So let's go short anyway, and I'm going to short sell 200. I'm going to do this as a market order. So here we go. You'll notice in my account manager I'm now short 200 shares of Estee Lauder at 58.45. So the first thing I need to do is think about what my exit is for a profit, and there you go. I've just been triggered out on JP Morgan, and if we go back to JP Morgan, you'll see that the stock is reaching a high, and back in the order box we'll see that 39.99s have traded, the high is 40, so automatically it triggered as soon as the market went to that price. Now with the short, I still want to have exactly the same mechanism, so I'm going to ensure myself against loss with my stop loss, but I'm also going to put a profit target in. So let's go back to Estee Lauder. Now I have my trade on. All I need to do is go to ARCA S, and I now want to be in a position where I would buy back if I want to exit the trade. So click on buy. Again, you'll see the caution box. Click on OK. I want to select range. This time, however, my low is going to be my profit target. So for the low, I'm going to choose 58.25. That's my profit target, 20 points below where I've short sold it. And my high price is going to be my stop. So let's say, again, we'll use 20 points or 20 cents above the entry price, 58.65. Click on OK. And you'll now see I have an order in which will accommodate both a stop loss and my profit target for a short trade.